Hello all, welcome to Random Art with Karen, and I am starting to play with some of the goodness I got from Nightingale Paper Co. from the Planner Extravaganza sale. And I'm going to be in my Happy Planner notebook. I got this at Hobby Lobby, 40% off. It came with lined pages, but then I purchased the dot grid inserts. And fortunately for me, these two were 40% off the day I was at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, that was a perfect buy. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna start here with my days. So I'm gonna leave some space for a title up here. I'm gonna draw some lines for my days of the week. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so about 7 would be good. Yeah, the big deal now are the Hobonichis, and of course I'm enamored with them, but I've got so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm gonna do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have so many planners right now, it's scandalous. One of these days I'm gonna come home and there's gonna be a film crew from Hoarders in my craft room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I've been blessed to be able to PR for several Etsy shops, and of course I want to be able to showcase their products. And 3, 4, 5. Apparently I can't talk and count at the same time. So I like to have multiple planners to be able to provide that for the companies that I represent. And yeah, that's my rationale. That's why I need it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, you can make these whatever size that you desire. This is what I'm just choosing to do for right now. 3, 4, 5. If you haven't seen these notebooks, Heather Kell has a really good review on these. And also if you're on Instagram, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're on Instagram, there is hashtag Fobonichi, F-A-U-X, Fobonichi. And it's really fun. Everybody's sharing their renditions of a Hobonichi using different planners. And I'm seeing this Happy Planner notebook quite a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, just need one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So this bottom can be for notes, whatever you choose. And is this not the cutest little freebie? I'll put my numbers aside. And this was one of the PR girls. So I love these little swatches of color here. And so I think I'm going to use that as my title. And I'm going to write my title. You know, you could use a sticker or a stamp. I love to stamp. But I'm going to write everything today. We'll do this one for June. And yeah, I like to use a ruler to attempt to get everything looking nice and neat. I bet you I forgot my little tweezers over there. Let me get my tweezers here in a minute. So this is going to be my title for June. Yeah, excuse me for a minute, let me find my tweezers. Okay, I'm back. And I think on the days of the week, I'm going to write them as well. Again, you can use stickers. You know, there's tons of stickers out there with the days of the week. Or if you're a stamper, you know, there's stamps. I've got some really nice ones from Unity. So I like to start my week on Mondays. Is that going to bother me? Yes, it is. So fix it. Let's see if I can talk and do the days of the week correctly. But if not, that's the beauty of whiteout. And Sunday. Okay. And, oh, I know what I want. Those cute little guys that look like they're peeking. These cute little guys here. So adorbs. So adorbs. So I want to get one of these cute little characters. Like he's peeking just around the month of June. About like that. Yep. I like that. Okay. So Monday, I always need coffee on Monday. So the other thing too, I think I would put my dates here. I'm not going to do that yet, but I think that would be a cute place to put your little date stickers. And again, all of these stickers are from Nightingale Paper Co. And this was offered in 2 different fonts. All right, coffee, coffee, coffee. And this one was from Halen's little PR sticker sheet. So adorbs. Okay. And then this was another little freebie. So let's do Taco Tuesday. Actually, I usually do taco salads. Taco salad Tuesday. And, excuse me for the sniffles, you know, 'tis the season to be sneezing. Okay, let's look at this sampler sheet. Sampler sheet. So, usually on Wednesdays and Thursdays, I am working on my list for grocery shopping. This would also be cute as a work sticker. I don't know if you can see that. Isn't that cute? Yes, I think I'll put that like right there. Or let's put him on the line so that that line lines up with my little Wednesday line. Okay. So Thursday, what about Thursday? Thursday, let's do another little, do a little sneaky peeky guy again. Or, yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little sneaky peeky. That's what I'm gonna call a little sneaky peeky. I just think that's so adorable. Again, when you have stickers that when you open your planner, just, you know, make you grin, smile, put you in a happier place, that's a good sticker. Good sticker. All right. Yeah, that works well there. So Friday, I say Friday that we are happy that it's Friday. So I'm going to use this little guy. He's going to be my Friday. Yay, Friday. And then Saturday, let's see. I like to do a lot of crafting and my little planning stuff on Saturday. So I think I'm going to go with this cutie patootie right there for Saturday. Saturday, ever loving Saturday. Again, I think I'm going to line that up with the line that part up with the line. And then on Sundays is when I do daily devotionals, and I do them in a faith planner, and I do my YouTube videos on Sunday. So I'm gonna say that these are my Bible studies, or my books of the Bible. I think I'm gonna put this little cutie right there. Okay, so it's gonna be my Bible study. And then here, I'm just gonna, you know, be like for notes or something. So what color would be pretty? Let's see. Gosh, they're all so pretty. I love all of these colors. Is there one that would coordinate better with what I got going on? Karen, why are you making such a big deal out of this? I don't know. Make a decision. Okay, I'm gonna go with, let's see, there's no pink there. All right, it's not brain surgery. All right, we're going with this, final answer. All right, and get my ruler. So this is just gonna be a place for notes at that bottom part. You know, in case you didn't have enough room to fill in whatever it was that you needed there. Put a line underneath that for emphasis. And there we go. So that's the beauty of these planner sales. You get to find shops that you weren't aware of before, and then you get to try them at a discount. And so that's when I found Nightingale Paper Co, because I'd never heard of her before. And I'm really loving the quality of her stickers. They're beautifully cut. And of course, again, I love characters and just fun stuff like that. All right, so, and I'm getting to the point where now I'm doing sort of a plan as you go. If I know there's something going on, I'll put it in. Otherwise, I'm going to leave the space for those, you know, like, oops, this is going on, you know. So, not to mention, we're talking June, and I even didn't put my dates down, so I don't know what I'm going to be doing. All right, so I'm going to put this guy right now, put that in there, and then we'll work a little bit on the other side. Okay, so this is where I'm going to use some of these cute characters to create some boxes for a list or something. So let's just start. Let's see. Now I'm going to wait a minute. Let's do like a to-do list. Do a little underline. So the nice thing too about using these instead of a marker, I know it's not going to bleed through the other side if you've ever had that happen. Okay, put that guy down there. And then, let's see, how am I going to do? Don't overthink it, Karen. Don't overthink it. You're overthinking it. I know. All right, that's what we're going to do. It's not brain surgery. Another thing I love about the art of planning, it's so therapeutic. You know, when I'm doing this, I'm not thinking about, you know, what else is going on in my life. What other stresses might be going on. It's very, like I said, it's very therapeutic. It's calming. I like drawing the lines and figuring stuff out. Of course, I love watching Plan With Me videos and shopping. I love the shopping part. And seeing what's new and different out there. Again, that's what I liked about Nightingale Paper Co. I felt like I was seeing some items and things that I hadn't seen before. So that's always fun and refreshing. Oh my gosh, how cute. Peepa. Peepa. Okay, sometimes I'll do some meal planning. What would be a good meal planning? This little guy's eating popcorn. That's a meal. Popcorn's a meal, right? Let's see, so how do I want to do this? Let's just, first let's just write meal plan here. Yeah, I didn't realize there was such a thing as meal plan until I got into planning. I just, you know, every day I would just kind of wing it, and I just figured everybody else did that too. Apparently, that's not the case. Some people plan, and it really is a good idea. especially if you're trying to, say, eat healthy. It's a good idea. Am I going to run into my other little guy? Well, so it'll be okay. We won't cut his little ear off or anything. See if I'm going to do days of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to be at least right there. Because I really only plan our suppers. It's just my husband and myself. And let's see. So where am I doing my popcorn dude? I want my popcorn dude. I want popcorn dude in there. We'll put popcorn dude right there. I say dude, could be a dudette. They don't appear gender specific. Do I want to take it all the way over or just to there? Did that all the way over, so I'm going to do this all the way over. Again, if you don't like it, white out it. Oh, I made him a little bit longer. That's all right. I may need 2 lines on a meal plan one day. If I decide to also write down my sides and not just the protein or the entree. Okay, I'm going to bring this all the way. All right, so there's a nice little start. And yeah, I'm gonna wait. The only other thing, again, that I do, I'll jot things down as the week goes. Well, something else I'll do too is a grocery list. So as you know, you're doing your meal plan, jot things down. Or as you're fixing a meal, you're like, oh, you know, I need this, that, or the other. So I will create a grocery list here. Let me show you another one that I did, again, using Nightingale Paper Co. Let me make sure. Yep, I got it in there where you can see everything. Yep, whatever. Sort of a catch-all area, so whatever. And then she has, of course, these cute little characters. I do have some doctor's appointments coming up, cleaning the carpets, washing the dishes. Yeah, I have to wash my little pet bowls for my cats and my dog. But I'm loving this. I'm really loving this. And it's portable, and there's plenty of room in there to do what you want. So I appreciate y'all checking in with me today. If you like the video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber if you're not a subscriber already. Those of you that visit with me and subscribe, I appreciate you. Let's do the wave bye. Look forward to planning with you next time.